Imagine a global e-commerce platform during Black Friday, handling millions of transactions across the globe. The stakes? Ensuring seamless user experience while managing data accuracy across distributed databases. This is where understanding the CAP theorem becomes crucial for system engineers. The CAP theorem posits that in any distributed system, you can only guarantee two out of the following three properties: consistency, every read receives the most recent write; availability, every request receives a response; and partition tolerance, the system continues to operate despite network partitions. It's the delicate balance of these principles that dictates system architecture decisions. Under the hood, the CAP theorem's implications ripple through data replication techniques and transaction protocols. Consistency hinges on synchronized data across nodes, often achieved through consensus algorithms like Raft or Paxos, which come with their own latency and throughput implications. Implementing partition tolerance involves routing around failures and replicating data, but it's not without cost. For instance, synchronous replication ensures consistency, but at the expense of availability, leading to higher latency during network partitions. Asynchronous replication favors availability, but might result in stale reads. Netflix prioritizes availability over consistency, using an eventually consistent model to serve global audiences with minimal latency. Conversely, a banking system like Chase emphasizes consistency to ensure transaction accuracy, accepting potential downtimes. These decisions affect everything from user experience to system resilience. The choice between KP properties influences system scalability and fault tolerance. Scalability in consistent systems may require more sophisticated coordination mechanisms, leading to complex recovery procedures. Availability-first systems can scale horizontally with relative ease but might compromise on data recency or accuracy during partitions. In the realm of distributed systems, the CAP theorem serves as a guiding star, not a rigid rule. Understanding its principles enables engineers to design systems with the right balance of consistency, availability, and partition tolerance, tailored to specific business needs and user expectations.